In this video, I'll show you how you can do paper trading on Webull. Now I'll show you how you can do it on the app as well as on your desktop. So for your desktop, this is really easy. You just want to go into the Webull website, click on paper trading on the left-hand side, and you'll now be able to paper trade. So you can type here whichever one you want to do. So let's say you want to do Apple, select Apple, and you'll be able to paper trade from in here. So you can see they'll give you 1 million that you can use for paper trading, which is of course not real money, but this is just like a demo account. Then you can buy and sell, and you can do everything as with a normal account, just with the fake money. If you want to do it on your app, what you want to do is download the Webull app. Inside of the app, click on Webull logo and select paper trading. Once you're in there, you will automatically get the money to do it. And then you can simply do it like the same way that you do it from in here, just on your phone instead. So that is how you can do paper trading on Webull. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.